Hello friends, welcome to Library Facts. Today's video is all about how to use RSS feed in your library to automate updates, share latest content, and enhance your services. This video will give you easy, practical ways to integrate RSS feeds into your daily library operations. Let's begin. What is RSS feed? RSS stands for Really Simple Syndication. It's a way to automatically receive updates from websites, blogs, or journals. Libraries can use RSS to stay updated with the latest books, research articles, or news. It saves time and ensures users never miss any important update from their favorite sources. RSS feeds work through XML format. Whenever a website adds new content, the RSS feed updates automatically. Libraries can subscribe to feeds using a feed reader like Feedly, InnoReader, or Outlook. This lets you collect updates from multiple sources in one place. You can add RSS feeds for news, library blogs, academic journals, or even book publishers. For example, subscribe to feeds from Springer, JSTOR, or Elsevier to get the latest research directly in your inbox or RSS reader. This helps you stay current in your subject areas. Public libraries can use RSS to share event updates, new arrivals, or reading lists. Instead of manually posting updates, you can automate it via RSS feed. Embed it on your website, or display it on digital notice boards inside the library. Many online databases and digital libraries offer RSS feed options. You can subscribe to a keyword, subject area, or specific journal. When new content is uploaded matching those parameters, the feed updates. This supports SDI services for researchers and faculty, using WordPress or Blogger for your library website. Good news, most blogging platforms generate RSS feeds by default. You can also create custom RSS feeds, using tools like rss.app or 5filters. Just copy the URL and paste it into your RSS reader, or integrate into your library system. Use RSS feeds to keep track of library science blogs, LIS news portals, or professional associations like IFLA and ALA. This helps you and your staff stay up to date with the latest trends, policies, technologies, and global developments in the library and information science domain. Academic libraries, RSS feeds can help research scholars track recently published articles. Many research databases like ScienceDirect and PubMed provide RSS for saved searches. To promote digital literacy, libraries can teach patrons how to use RSS feeds. Conduct small workshops on using Feedly, setting up feeds, and filtering content. You can embed RSS feeds on your library homepage. Use RSS feeds to automate your library newsletter. Connect RSS with tools like MailChimp to auto-generate and email a weekly or monthly newsletter. This saves time, maintains consistency. RSS feeds work well with Google Sheets using automation tools like Zapier or IFT. This is helpful for tracking sources or creating bibliographic references. If your library maintains a book review section, consider subscribing to RSS feeds from websites like Goodreads or book publishers. Use RSS to monitor open access journals and automatically push updates to your library OPAC system. Most libraries have a latest updates section. Using RSS feeds, this section can automatically fetch content from external or internal sources. Email services can be enhanced using RSS. Feed updates can be sent via email by connecting your RSS feed to tools like BlogTracker. Subject-wise feeds can be very effective. Set up custom feeds for specific disciplines like science, arts, engineering, or management. Share these links with users. Mobile phones are the primary device for many users. RSS reader apps like Feedly or Flipboard can be promoted by the library. RSS feeds are perfect for CAS. Librarians can collect new information from subscribed feeds and disseminate it through display boards, weekly bulletins, or email lists. Advanced users can receive RSS alerts based on their research topics. In SDI, RSS helps personalize updates based on users' interests and subjects. Relevant feeds can be created and pushed to them. Add RSS feeds to your library blog sidebar. Many integrated library systems, ILS, like Koha support RSS integration. You can display recently added books, popular items, or overdue reminders using feeds. RSS can be converted into QR codes. Generate a QR for a subject-specific RSS feed and post it in the relevant section of your library. Looking to use AI in your library? Start with RSS. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe to Library Facts. Thank you.